Yes, we can see the different types of feet. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here, powerful curved talons. You can see here the feet and the sharp claws of the eagle, vulture, and the hawks and all. And kite also have these type of feet. Kites also have, because their food is they are eating the other animals, meats, flesh. So in order to tear the skin of the animal, in order to tear the flesh of the animal, they need a powerful and curved pointed feet. Claws should be sharp, right? So
Yes.
that is why it is called talons. Talons means feet with a curved claws. Strong feet with a curved
Close.
claws. That is called talons. So write down the word, new word, talons. Algan, algan. Which type of feet now we
Ma'am, in
learn?
the book.
Algan. Yeah.
Curve,
Ah,
sharp,
powerful, powerful. Yes, tell me, read it. You can't see the board, Algan.
powerful.
And we want to write talents.
Ah, yes, talons. Okay, talons. Yeah. Algan, read it. Read the name of the feet.
Talons.
No, no. Full sentence. Fourth type of feet.
Talons.
Powerful curved talons. Ritu, what is the name of these type of feet?
Ma'am, powerful
Hmm.
curved talons.
Powerful curved talons. Okay, powerful curved talons. Okay, Nia, what is the use of these type of feet for these birds? How they help these birds?
Help
Unmute.
them to catch and hold their prey firmly.
Firmly, very good. Help to catch and hold their prey. What do you mean by prey? Prey, prey. Prey means
Their food.
the animal which they are using as its food. Okay, that is called prey. Prey means the animal which they use at their food. That is called prey. Firmly means tightly. Okay, that word also you can write it down. So three new words you learn today. That is talents. Second one, pray. And the third one, firmly. Okay, so these are the three new words. I hope the meanings are clear, isn't it? So let me call Niranjan. 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 Ah, Mivel. 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 Yes.
Yes.
Mivel. Which type of feet we learn today? Learn now.
Very powerful.
Ah, ah. Powerful.
Curved talons.
Ah, okay. Read it once again. Read it once again.
Powerful curved talons.
Talons. Okay, talons. Powerful curved talons. And Niranjan, are you here? Niranjan? Niranjan? Niranjan, are you here? Okay. Evangel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how they help the birds.
Ma'am, what you want to read?
Yeah, how they help the birds. How these type of feet help the birds.
They help them to catch and hold their prey.
Firmly. Help them to catch and hold their prey firmly. Okay, Delna. Delna. Delna.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
these type of feet help the birds.
Help them the catch hold their prey firmly.
Okay, help them to catch and hold their prey firmly. Niranjan, are you here, Niranjan? Niranjan is not here. Tonio, tell
Yes, ma'am.
me which all birds have these type of feet?
Eagle,
Ah,
chair,
ah,
hawk.
hawks. Eagle, vulture, and hawk. So here you can write this word, vulture and hawk also. Okay, hawks also you can write in the list of new words. So talents you learn, pray you learn, firmly also. Along with it, you can add vulture and hawks. You have to write and study these spellings. Okay, Akshaj, Prem, Akshaj, Akshaj. Yes, which all birds have
Yes.
powerful curved talons?
Vulture,
Ah,
hawks,
ah,
eagle.
very good, very good. I hope you have all completed. You noted down the words, new words, isn't it? Krishnesh? Krishnesh? Yes. See, what is this word? What is this word? Read this word, Krishnesh, which I am marking.
Talent.
Very good. Read the spelling of talons.
Talons.
Very good. Alona, can you hear me, Alona, today? Alona, Alona, not hearing. Okay. Then see, switch on your video. Some of your videos are off. See, not at all on. Ananda Krishnan, Ananda Krishnan. What is this word which I am marking now? This one, this one.
Pray.
Okay, spelling.
Prey.
Very good. Okay. Next one, Aiden. 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 Yes. What is this word?
Firmly.
Ah, firmly. Firmly. Say the spelling.
Firmly.
What is that word? Say, pronounce that word. Firmly. Okay, firmly. Okay. Next one. Let me call. Yes, Shabari. Shabari. Shabari.
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
give example for birds have powerful curved talons.
Eagle.
Mm.
Vulture.
Vulture. Then hawk. What is that word? Hawk. Say it. Eagle, vulture, and hawk. Say it. Hawk.
Eagle. Vulture.
Ah, hawk. Hawk. Okay. So these are the birds. So let me go move to the next one. These are about the webbed feet. Okay, webbed feet. So here in the picture you can see along with the toes. These toes are attached to each other, connected to each other through a skin. That is why it is called webbed feet. Have you seen this type of feet anywhere?
Yes.
Where? Ducks, not only ducks, these penguins also have this type of webbed feet. What is the name? Webbed feet. Webbed. Webbed. Alona, Alona is not able to answer. Yes, Ethan. Ethan, what is the name of this type of feet?
Web.
Webbed. Say it. Webbed.
Web.
Webbed. Say it. Okay, say the spelling of webbed. ED. Okay, see, have you heard about this one, spider's web? In the same way, if you are looking to the duck's feet, you can see it is like a web, spider's web, like that is why it is called webbed feet. Okay. This, what is the use of this type of feet for these birds?
Help them to paddle through the water.
So what do you mean by paddle? What do you mean by the word paddle? Paddle means to swim, to move. Okay, to move through the water, to swim through the water. So water. So paddle through the water. Help them to paddle through the water. So which all birds have these type of feet? Ducks and penguins. So here you learned two words. That is, first one webbed, second one paddle. Okay, Aisha, can you tell me the spelling of paddle? Aisha, Aisha, tell me the spelling of paddle.
Paddle.
Okay, what is the meaning of paddle, Aisha? What is that meaning? Yes. Yes, Krishnesh. Krishnesh. To
Move.
move or to swim. In the water, it is to swim, right? So, webbed feet help them to paddle through the water. Okay, next question. To whom I should ask? Anishankar, Binnu, almost all of your videos are off. Why? Anishankar, huh? Mewell's left somewhere in between the class. Mewell, Mewell, Mewell. Yes. Can you tell me which type of feet do these ducks have? Webbed feet. Okay. Leon, which birds have webbed feet, Leon?
Ducks and penguins.
Very good, very good. Manish. Yes. Which birds have webbed feet? Which birds? 1 minute, Binnu. Which birds have webbed feet? Manish. Webbed.
Ma'am?
You forgot the word. Huh? See, you can see it. Children?
W-E-B-B-E-D.
Webbed feet.
Duck.
Manish?
Web.
Ducks. Not only ducks, penguin is also having this type of feet. Okay, Manish. So, which type of feet do the ducks have? Yes, Manish. Webbed feet. Okay, very good. Webbed feet. And next question to Binnu. Binnu, yes, yeah. How these feet help the ducks? How this webbed feet help the ducks? How do they help?
Water.
Binnu, let Binnu to say the answer. Okay,
To
yes.
swim.
Okay, to paddle through the water. Okay, to swim to the water, to paddle through the water. Okay, so these are the different types of birds' feet that we learn. One more type is there. Let me go to that point. That is, so here you can see here, right? 3 forward toes. This is the emu. So this is an emu. So emu's feet, when you are looking at emu's feet, you can see 3 toes are forward, right? So pointing to forward. There is no backward toes at the back. Only 3 toes are there. That 3 toes are directing forward. Okay, this is the emu's feet. This is emu. Okay, so why these 3 forwarded toes for this emu? Because these toes help them to run fast. These toes help these birds to run fast. That is the use. And here in the picture, you can see a feet with 2 toes, right? How many toes are there in the second picture? 2 toes only. Comparing to emu's feet, here only 2 toes are there. So these feet is that of an ostrich. These feet is that of an ostrich. So how many toes are there for ostrich feet? 2. So these 2 feet also, toes also help them to run fast. You know, the ostrich is the fastest running bird, right? Fastest bird. So using these 2 toes, the ostrich can run very fast. So emus and ostrich, emus 3 toes are there and ostrich only 2 toes are there. What is the use of these type of feet for that? What is their use? How they?
Running very fast.
To run very
Help them
fast.
to
Okay,
run fast.
to run very
Run
fast.
very fast.
Let me ask you, which bird is having two Niranjan? This question is to Niranjan. Niranjan, Niranjan. Yes. Which bird is having three toes? You are sitting there and enjoying the music, Niranjan. Huh? Huh? Who kept the music there?
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Okay. So we learned almost all about the feet of birds. Okay. So it is. So let me go through that. So different types of feet. I am showing it again. So three toes in front and one toe at the back. Help the birds to hold branches or wires. Example: sparrow, robin, bulbul, and myna. Next one. See, Steve, switch on your video. Faris, Asin, switch on your videos. And long and thin feet. Help the birds that stay in water to walk and swim in ponds and catch small water animals. Example, heron and crane. Next type, two toes in front and two toes at the back. Helpful in climbing trees. Woodpecker, parrot, these all have this type of feet. Next one, powerful curved talons help them to catch and hold their prey firmly. Example, eagle, vulture and hawks. And next one, webbed feet. Ducks and penguins have this type of feet that help them to paddle through the water. And the last one, three toes forward. Right? These toes help them to run fast. Example, emu, and also for ostrich, two toes are present. That also help them to run fast. So this much is all about the feet. See, children, up to this much only for MCQ 2. So today, I think I already sent the notes. You can complete the notes. Everybody should complete the notes. Next class, tomorrow you should learn this chapter. Okay. Up to where I have sent the notes from the workbook, you can learn it. We can revise it. Okay. So shall I wind up today's session? Learn, read the textbook also. Thank you.